Hey guys, let's talk a little bit about maintenance and why maintenance is important. When we go to buy an asset or a piece of equipment, more often than not, we're buying something new. And we have this expectation that it is in perfect operating condition, which statistically, more often than not, is true. The question is, when does it stop operating perfectly? And why did it stop operating perfectly? And what are you doing at the moment it stops operating perfectly? And how does that impact you? There are trends on these things. There are general, reliability curves, failure curves, and things like that. So you can tell a lot of, answer a lot of questions with those. But back to why the maintenance is important. Maintenance not only ensures that piece of equipment, that asset, is going to keep operating in a manner that you expect, but preventive, regular maintenance also gives you a predictable cost. And man, I probably, like everybody who owns a car, you go in to get an oil change today and you're like, how much does this cost? And it seems astronomical. But then you compare it to the engine blowing up while you're driving down the interstate, and then you have a tow truck, and then you take it to the dealer and they tell you didn't change your oil, so you have to buy a new engine, and now you're $10,000 in, and suddenly that oil change was very inexpensive. And you can just scale that up as you go into industry and larger assets. Unfortunately, as I'm sitting here recording this, a cargo container ship just ran into the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore the other day. And that same ship had some known maintenance history issues, specifically an incident in the port of Antwerp in Belgium. And we saw the power go on, would go off, on, off. The thing hits the bridge collapses. I don't know, is this $1 billion issue? How much was Maximo? Well, it wasn't going to be $1 billion, and it wasn't going to kill anybody. Unfortunately, maintenance, even on our personal vehicles, has a direct relationship to our safety as the operators and passengers. And what we saw with that container ship hitting the bridge was a very direct relationship to human life because of maintenance. So why do you want to maintain? You want to maintain things because in the long run, it's cheaper than emergencies are. You want to maintain things because your operations are more predictable. You want to maintain things because it keeps you in regulatory compliance. You want to maintain things because it keeps you, your people, and the people around you and your assets safe. And again, it's cheaper. Love to hear your thoughts. Put your comments below. Look forward to talking to you.